ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 4-39 श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम, a study by S.L. Abhyankar. The shloka is श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम तत्पर संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानम लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिमचिरेणाधिगच्छति. पदच्छेदः श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानम लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम अचिरेण अधिगच्छति. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषणम्. श्रद्धावान तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लभते. ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा अचिरेण परां शान्तिम् अधिगच्छति. अन्वयार्थः पदाभ्यासाश्च. श्रद्धावान तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लभते. श्रद्धावान श्रद्धा प्लस वत् विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. शब्दकल्पद्रुमे श्रद्धा स्त्रीलिंगम श्रद्धानम इति. श्रद् प्लस धा प्लस शिद् भिदादिभ्यों 3-3-104. दिस इज फ्रॉम अष्टाध्यायी. इति अंग टाप संप्रत्ययः स्पृहा इति अमरः. तत्परः तस्मिन् परः अथवा तत् एव परं यस्मै सः तत्परः. पर एडजेक्टिव प्रू भावे अप कर्तरि अच वा. Declined optionally like a pronoun in nominative, vocative plural and ablative and locative singular when it denotes relative position. Other, different, another, higher, superior, highest, greatest, most distinguished, preeminent, chief, best, principal. Paratopi parah, higher than the highest. At the end of compound, having anything as the highest object, absorbed or engrossed in, intent on, solely devoted to, wholly engaged or occupied in, paricharya paraha. So, dhyana paraha, shoka paraha, daiva paraha, chinta paraha, like that. Param, the highest point or pitch, culminating point, the supreme spirit. Tesham adityavajnanam prakashayati tatparam. Final beatitude. Asakto ihacharan karma param apnoti purushaha. Both these are from Gita. Now I have blocked quite some portion here, but those who are interested, you can take a snapshot. All this is from Apte's dictionary about the word par. Tatah param, thereupon. संयत इंद्रियः संयतानि इंद्रियाणि येन सह संयत इंद्रियः. संयतानि सम प्लस यम धातोः क्तविशेषणं संयत. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगं प्रथमा बहुवचनं. संयतेन्द्रियः वन हु हैज ऑर्गन्स अंडर कंट्रोल. ज्ञानम शब्दकल्पद्रुमे क्लीबे ज्ञा भावे ल्युट्. विशेषेण सामान्येन च अवबोधः. मोक्षेधीर्ज्ञानमन्यत्र विज्ञानं शिल्पशास्त्रयोः इति अमरः. Note, jnanam is usually translated as knowledge. Here it is detailed as visheshena samanyena cha avabodha. Both specific and general. Specific visheshena and general samanyena avabodha, awareness. लभते लब धातोः लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. धातुपाठे लभ दुलभं प्राप्तौ to get, to obtain, to take, to have, to find. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी सकर्मकः अनिट् श्रद्धावान् तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लभते. One who is श्रद्धावान tatparaha and sanyatendriyaha attains knowledge. Rather, both specific and general awareness. Jnanam ladva achirena param shantim adhigacchati. Jnanam as above. Labdhva labdhatoh ktvantam achirena न चिरेण शब्दकल्पद्रुमे चिरम अव्ययम चि प्लस बाहुलकार रक दीर्घकालः चिरम दीर्घकालः तत्पर्यायः चिराय चिररात्राय चिरस्य इति अमरः चिरेण चिरात् चिरे इति भरतः चिरतः इति शब्दरत्नावली अचिरेण not after long time soon पराम पर विशेषणम अत्र स्त्रीलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम शांतिम शब्दकल्पद्रुमे शांति स्त्रीलिंगम शम तिन कामक्रोधादिप्रशमः चित्तोपशमः इति भरतः विषयेभ्यः इंद्रियोपरमः इति चंडी टीकायां नागोजी भट्टः तत्पर्यायः शमथः शमः इति अमरः प्रशमः उपशमः प्रशांतिः इति शब्दरत्नावली तृष्णाक्षयः इति हेमचंद्रः अधिगच्छति अधिगम धातोः लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम् इन अपटेज डिक्शनरी अधिगम प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी to acquire, to obtain, to get, to attain, to secure. आज्ञाकरत्वम् अधिगम्य अधिगच्छति महिमानं चंद्रोपि निशा परिगृहीतः भर्तारम् अधिगच्छेत् टू मैरी श्रेयांसि सर्वाण्यधिजग्मुषस्ते टू फाइंड मीट विथ fall in with to see to discover to accomplish अर्थम सप्रतिबंधम प्रभुरधिगंतुम सहायवानेव न मे बुद्धिर्निश्चयम् अधिगच्छति is not able to decide for see also Manusmriti to approach to reach go towards or near गुणालयोप्यसन्मंत्री नृपतिर्नाधिगम्यते तस्यातम तस्यांतम नाधिगच्छति does not reach or go to the end to study learn know तेभ्योऽधिगन्तुं निगमान्त्य विद्याम् श्रुतमप्यधिगम्य धर्मेणाधिगतो यैस्तु वेदार्थान् अधिगच्छेत् to cohabit with ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा अचिरेण पराम शांतिम अधिगच्छति on obtaining knowledge he soon attains the ultimate peace he soon attains bliss छंदो विश्लेषण श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम अष्टाक्षराणि भते ज्ञा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे तत्पर संयतेन्द्रियः अष्टाक्षराणि यतेन्द्रि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्ति अष्टाक्षराणि परां शा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे मचिरेणाधिगच्छति अष्टाक्षराणि धिगच्छ एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दोऽयं स्वाध्यायः टिप्पण्यश्च नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी I got the meanings primarily from Shabdakalpadrumaha, a Sanskrit dictionary, which also details etymology and synonyms as detailed by other lexical authors as Bharataha, Nagoji Bhattaha, Amaraha, Shabdaratnavali, Hemachandraha, like that. Apte's dictionary, especially for Sopasarga Dhatava and interesting words like Para. Dhatupatha, I get the meanings from Dhatupatha also, very well compiled at https://www.ashtadhyayi.com/dhatu. Of late, I am thinking that the Shad Vedangani, Shiksha, Vyakaranam, Chandaha, Niruktam, Kalpaha and Jyotish are really the specification of the 6 aspects which would make study of any Sanskrit text complete or comprehensive. Shiksha, the phonology, which gets covered in my videos and cannot be covered in this kind of a write-up. Vyakaranam, grammar. Chandaha, metrical analysis and appreciation of figures of speech also. Niruktam, etymology. Kalpaha, understanding the meaning and extended deliberation, including relevant bibliographical references. Kalpaha. Jyotish, enlightenment. What experience, what essence would devolve into one's intellect and psyche. That is Jyotish. So, the Shad Vedangani are not for study of only the Vedaha. They are a good specification, a good reference frame for the comprehensive study of any Sanskrit text. The first word in this shloka is Shraddhavan. Shraddha plus Vat. Vat, full of. Shraddhavat, full of Shraddha. Shraddha from Shat plus Dha. Note, Shat is a prefix, Upasargaha, which goes only with the Dhatuhu Dha. Note, Dha means to hold. Shraddha means holding passionately. Shrat, passionately. Shraddha means quiet confidence. Thomas Alva Edison was not disturbed even by his 1,000 failures. Comes to mind the poem Thinking by Walter D. Wintle. But sooner or later, the person who wins is the one who thinks he can. But sooner or later, the person who wins is the one who thinks he can. That is Shraddha. In Shraddhavan labhate jnanam, the win, the victory is over ignorance. The reward of the win is jnanam. Success is its own reward. Rather, param shanti mache adhigacchati is final beatitude. That is the reward. The word tatparaha merits some deliberation. I have already detailed tatparaha, tasmin paraha athava tatteva param yasmai saha, tatparaha. Basically, tat is a pronoun. Here, which noun does it stand for? I would say it stands for jnanam, which in Shabdakalpadrumaha is explained as Visheshena Samanyena cha avabodha, specific and general realization. Note, any jnanam dawns on that person who is tatparaha, tasmin paraha, engrossed in it. Gravity dawned on Newton, only upon Newton, because he was seriously engrossed to know why things fall down. An apple falling on his head was just an excuse. The more important reason was that he was tatparaha. He was tasmin paraha. Archimedes started running naked, shouting, Eureka, Eureka. That happened to Archimedes, only to Archimedes, because he was tatparaha, tasmin paraha. That is so with every other bit of jnanam. Tatparaha also means tattaiva param yasmai saha tatparaha. Even taking his bath, what was churning up in Archimedes' mind was the problem assigned to him by the king to find out the adulteration done by the goldsmith. It was that problem that occupied his mind, nothing else. Tatteva param. Meaning of the word achirena is given above as not after a long time, soon. That is correct. But one cannot say soon means how soon. The in achirena basically implies unspecified length of time. Not a. There is no formula which will apply equally to all. The mention Bahunam Janmanamante Jnanavan Mam Prapadyate in 7-19 has the word Jnanavan, which is same as Jnanam Labdhva here, and the phrase Param Shantim Adhigacchati here is the same as Mam Prapadyate there in 7-19. Then the difference is of Achirena here and Bahunam Janmanam Ante there. That is a huge difference. For what attitude one should cultivate? Sri Sai Baba advised Shraddha and Saburi. We already discussed Shraddha. Saburi means patience. Param Shantim Adhigacchati, that is Mam Prapadyate, would happen whenever that has to happen. Achirena may become Bahunam Janmanamante also. Don't worry. Never worry about it. Just be what you ought to be. Shraddhavan, Tatparaha and Sanyatendriya. Shubhamastu.